If you're intimidated by cutting stair stringers like I was, you need to see this trick. First, you're going to measure out your rise and your run using a carpenter square like usual, but then you're going to cut that out into a triangle and attach it to a scrap piece of wood just using a couple of screws. Then you're going to take that jig and you're going to mark out your rise and run for however many steps you need. I needed 11 for my steps, so I went and I did that over and over until I had as many as I needed, and then I could start cutting them out. I used my circular saw to cut out the lines, and then like to use my jigsaw to cut out the little corners that are left, because as we all know, the circular saw isn't going to get a nice tight corner for you. Once I had that all done, I put it in place, and if you use this jig too, you're going to be able to stand back and admire your work like I did and say, I made that. It was me. I did this. Stick around for more tips like this and to see how we finish off these stairs.